From a reading of the passage, what would be the closest meaning of commons? Commons is a reference from the fourth paragraph. This is a rather straightforward question. We can see it here. In that respect, the best can be said for the Earth Summit, that it made visible the vested interests that stand in the way of the moral economies that local people are seeking to re-establish in the face of the day-to-day degradation of their rivers, lakes, streams, fishing grounds, rangelands, forests, and fields. Then it states about these people, for those who rely on the commons, such degradation means a loss of dignity and independence, and so on. So for those who rely on the commons is speaking about these people who are seeking to re-establish in the face of the day-to-day degradation of. So it can be inferred that the commons actually means these, their rivers, lakes, streams, fishing grounds, rangelands, forests, and fields, etc. So let's look at the options. Option A says, forested regions and water bodies, absolutely true. We can see rivers, lakes, streams, fishing grounds, water bodies, rangelands, forests, and fields, forested regions. So this is quite all right. A can be qualified. Option B says, public services and amenities, does not connect with this. There's absolutely no reference to public services or amenities. So this is irrelevant. B is incorrect. Option C tells us poor and homeless people. Now it says people who are seeking to re-establish in the face of the day-to-day degradation of their rivers, lakes, etc. For these people, such degradation means loss of dignity, independence, security, livelihood, and health. Thus often a matter of life and death. But that doesn't necessarily mean that these people are poor or are homeless. They might lose their livelihood. But does that mean that they are homeless or they are poor? No, not necessarily. So again, C is not exactly true because it is a bit of an assumption. It is not definitive. It might include some of these people, yes, but not all of them, not necessarily. So C is out. D tells us cannot be inferred, but that is incorrect. We can infer option A, hence D is also incorrect. The correct answer is option A.